This is delicious.
When making breakfast with fruits, the most important thing that you want to start off with is washing the fruits. So we're going to start off and we can see we're going to be washing the strawberries. We're going to take 4 of these strawberries. That's the chef preference today for this bowl of cereal. Next, the second fruit that our chef selected is the blueberry. So we do want to rinse the blueberries, as she'll be sprinkling some of these on top, which are very nice for the color contrast between the red and the blue on top of the cereal, along with being good for your heart. Now washing the banana. This is one that I sometimes get a little grief over from folks. However, bananas in transit, people touching them in the market and everything else, I feel it's important to rinse off your banana before opening it. Safety is the most important thing in including your little one in developing and making the healthy breakfast. To do that, you see that we are using a butter knife. It is not sharp, it is just simply meant for spreading butter, but completely sufficient in order to be cutting or dicing a strawberry for our little one. Now begins the fun part. We give our little chef the butter knife and 4 strawberries so that she can dice them exactly as she wants for her cereal and be able to participate and put them on top. Now her preference today is to cut each and every strawberry differently so that it looks unique on top of her cereal bowl. Next, our chef is going to peel the banana and dice it to her preference. As you can see, she likes the bananas in large chunks, and that is perfectly fine. Now, our last 2 steps might require a little help, but we're going to do this one together. We'll be pouring in the Cheerios. Notice these are her favorite, Honey Nut Cheerios. Give it a little extra flavor. And then next, we will be pouring in the milk. This is a 1-gallon container of milk, so there will be a little assistance on this one so we don't have it going all over the place. Now we have finally put together all of our ingredients, assembled them. Now let's watch our little one enjoy this nice, healthy breakfast. Thank you everyone for watching and enjoying this video.
This is delicious.